Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. If this is the kind of video you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us to the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much, my return supporters. I love you guys, appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today's video, get excited because we have a product here. This is new from Dr. Dennis Gross skincare line. I have this for a little while now, but first I wanted to give a little try. I wanted to use for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then I can come back and tell you guys how was my experience, alright, about the product. But I do have the product case here, how it comes. This is the Dennis Gross DermInfusion 3D alternative to injectable fill, plump, and firms the skin. So that's what this serum promise. You have some before and after pictures here. Alright, and this is clinically proven to immediately lift, plump, and fill fine lines. In only 4 weeks, they have a clinical study introduced on 34 subjects aged 36 to 64 old. Wow. And they have some before and after here that looks amazing. Alright, 91% soy firmer and felt the skin was plumped and hydrate in only 4 weeks. Alright, so this is a little bit about the product here. So I'm gonna put the box down for now, and this is in this serum. It's like a creamy texture. So I have my skin clean, I don't have nothing on it, so we're going to be using this. Like I told you guys, I've been using this for like 3 weeks now since I got, so my body is almost finished. I use morning and evening. So you put it like 2 to 3 pumps on your hands, and then you just apply all over your skin. I like to focus on my eye area because we all tend to have fine lines over here, or like smile crow feet. I know who needs that. And I like to put also like here on my smile line. And of course we cannot forget our forehead, all these fine lines and the wrinkle that decide to show up on our skin when we age. So this product promise to lift and firm and plump the skin, giving you like the effect of fillers. If you don't want to use fillers, you can use these and you're gonna have a similar effect in little as 4 weeks. So what can I tell you guys about the product? I think that results speaks for themselves, and my skin is looking good. My under eye area is looking good. I used to have a little bit of fine lines here. I feel like they are much easier now than was before, and the skin does look plumped and firm. Here if you pinch my skin, it's pretty firm. I don't have like a thin skin. I actually have thick, firm skin. So I am looking forward to keep using this product because I'm gonna lie, any kind of filler injectable, they hurt as hell, and it's not something that's natural for your face. So if you wanna stay clear from them, I definitely would give you a go on this product. So I'm going to have to give you guys a review after I finish this bottle. So these look like, I cannot tell, but probably have like this much left since I've been using for a little while now. And then after finish, I should tell you guys the final result. But I think it works. I'm pretty happy with the results. So love the product. Dennis Gross does have amazing product on the market. If you guys doesn't know that, you guys not familiar with them, they are actually professional dermatologists. And I always say, and I always thought that skincare that are made by dermatologists, they tend to be better because they know about skin, so they know about better ingredients, so they know what they're doing. So let me read a little bit about the product for you guys here. Bring dermatologist off home. I like that. First, this fast-acting serum works three-dimensionally in skin to fill fine lines, firm and plump. Our micro seal delivery system reduces the size of water molecule, carry an infusion of hyaluronic acid, peptides, niacinamide, and ectonin deep into the skin for optimal absorption performance. Your needle-free alternative to injectable that works over time to hydrate the skin and restore the moisture barrier while adding volume and controlling the redness and minimizing fine lines and wrinkles instantaneously and over time. What? Okay, so this is like your best friend in a bottle. So can you please make this like a jumbo size for we use all of our body, you know? The whole body get old too. But so I'm very excited to keep using this product. You guys let me know in the comment below if you ever try this or if you ever try any product from Dr. Dennis Gross. And I'm gonna have to link the link for this beautiful serum down in the description of this video, and for Dennis Gross website, because they do have amazing skincare. You know, like I say, they are one of my favorite dermatologists on brand, and I have some product of them, like the daily peel that I use all the time, that also help my skin to look glowy, you know, fine lines free, and you know, help me balance my uneven skin tone. I don't have any makeup on, nothing right here, no lie, I don't have nothing, just a little bit of lip gloss because I need to moisturize my lips. But yeah, the product it's really good. Like I said, I use a lot of the product, and all of them, especially the one for brighter skin, they're fabulous. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review and trying with me this product. And like I said, I'm gonna have to give you guys update when I finish this bottle. All right, I love you guys. I see you guys next video. Bye.